Curious about BTech Computer Science? Stick around for the ultimate crash course. BTech Computer Science, or BTech CS, is a dynamic 4-year course divided into 8 semesters. You'll dive into programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and SQL. Core subjects include operating systems, algorithms, microprocessors, cryptography, and network security. Want more? Electives like AI, data analytics, and robotics are up for grabs too. Plus, you'll get hands-on experience in labs like engineering practices, digital electronics, and web technology. Exams? Theory papers are usually 60 marks, with internal assessments at 40 marks. Practical labs and internal assessments typically carry 50 and 25 marks, respectively, so why wait? If you're passionate about tech, BTech Computer Science might just be your perfect fit. Read more at collegejunior.com for a deeper dive into the syllabus, top colleges, and essential books. Ready to code your future?